This is a Mercedes, a car worth almost $10,000, and I paid $1,500.
Look at this thing, it looks like it came out of a swamp. But underneath all this mud could be one of the best deals I've ever made.
This is a Mercedes A200, the car that makes the dream of owning a German car a reality.
Covered in dirt, sitting for a long time, windshield cracked, interior completely neglected. I think the opposite. These are exactly the cars where the biggest opportunities hide.
The plan is simple to say and hard to do. Figure out why the engine won't start. Now the most important part, the engine. This is Mercedes 1.6 turbo.
A compact engine that delivers the power and refinement you expect from a German car.
Cleaning is essential for the mechanic to work and make an accurate diagnosis.
Now we're ready, this engine is prepped for the mechanic to figure out why it won't show signs of life. Before any diagnosis, this car needs a complete cleaning, and this one's going to be intense. Paint is intact underneath, no rust on the body panels. This Mercedes won't need any bodywork or paint, just a lot of cleaning.
The mechanic arrived to do the diagnosis.
All the fluids were degraded as expected in a car that's been sitting this long. She did a complete fluid change before any testing.
Put in a new battery.
The mechanic investigated, and what he found makes perfect sense for a car abandoned this long.
The fuel pump was dead. With the car sitting for so long, the old fuel degraded inside the tank until it turned into sludge that destroyed the pump.
The solution is to replace the fuel pump and clean the system.
For a car that was abandoned in this condition, the structure is exactly as it should be: solid.
Time to buy the parts.
He installed the new pump, replaced the filter, and cleaned the entire fuel system.
This 1.6 turbo is alive. It was exactly what we thought.
If you enjoyed this restoration, make sure to subscribe. New videos every Saturday at 2 p.m. Thanks for watching.